Hello, 大家好 Salamu, delicious xiaosa. This is xiaosa here and welcome to my channel. 欢迎我的频道. Today I will teach you the basics Chinese. You need to learn two things in Chinese language. Dons and 拼音. 音调和拼音. There are four tones. First tone is flat. Ah, ah, ah. And the second tone is going up. Ah, ah, ah. And the third tone is going down, then up. Ah, 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 ah. And the last fourth tone is going down. Ah, ah. And some syllables have no tone. We pronounce them shortly and softly. Ma, de, ne. Ma, de, ne. Repeat after me. Ah, 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 ah. Ma, de, ne. We are going to learn some rules about the changing of tones. I know it's a little bit hard, but I really want to share with you. There are some circumstances under which Chinese words or character tones will change into a different tones. How? Normally, the tone changes are not written in pinyin. You are supposed to know the rule and apply it while speaking. 我们开始吧. So let's learn these rules in an easy way. Rule number 1. When a third tone is followed by another third tone, the first one becomes second tone. Remember, usually we do not write the tone change as I told you before. We are just doing it here to make it extra clear. Now, for example, ni hao means hello. Ni hao, they both have third tones. If we want to speak, so the first one becomes second tone. So it is like this. Ni hao. Ni has second tone. Hao has third tone. So the next one is 可以. 可以 means can. So if we want to speak, we can say 可以. 可以. 老板. 老板 means boss. So if we want to speak, so the first one becomes second tone. 老板. 老板. 很好. 很好 means good. So if you want to speak, we can say 很好. 很好. 所以. 所以 means so. So if you want to speak, the first one becomes second tone. So we say 所以. 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 So, next is rule number 2. When E1, which is the first tone by itself, is followed by first, second or third tone, the first one becomes fourth tone. How? Let's see. So here are some examples. 一些 means some. 一些, they both have first tones. So the first one becomes fourth tone. So we say 一些, 一些, 一起. 一起 means together. They also have first tone. So the first one becomes fourth tone. 一起, 一起, 一点. 一点 means a little. The first one has first tone, and the second one has third tone. So the first one becomes fourth tone. E, the end. E, the end. E, nian. E, nian means 1 year. The first one has first tone, and the second one has second tone. So the first one becomes fourth tone. We say E, nian. E, nian. Okay, now let's learn the rule number 3. When E1, which is first tone by itself, is followed by fourth tone, the first one becomes second tone. How? Let's check it out. So here are some examples. For example, E ge. E ge means 1 of something. E has first tone. Ge has fourth tone. So the first one becomes second tone. E ge. E ge. E xia. E xia means quickly. E has first tone. Xia has fourth tone. So the first one becomes second tone. Yi xia. Yi xia. Yi ban. Yi ban means 1/2. E has first tone. Ban has fourth tone. So the first one becomes second. Yi ban. Yi ban. Now, last. Yi yang. Yi yang means same. E has first tone. Yang has fourth tone. So the first one becomes second tone. Yi yang. Yi yang. Yi yang. Rule number 4. When pu, no, which is fourth tone by itself, is followed by another fourth tone, so the first one becomes second tone. Here are some examples. Pu dui. Pu dui means wrong. They both have fourth tone, so the first one becomes second tone. Pu dui. Pu dui. Pu yao. Pu yao means don't want. Pu yao has both fourth tone, so the first one becomes second tone. Pu yao. Pu yao. Pu ju. Pu ju means not to go. They also have fourth tone, so the first one becomes second tone. Pu ju. Pu ju. So, and that is all for today, as I tried to explain this lesson in an easy way. Subscribe to my channel, 订阅我的频道 ，like, comment and share my videos. 免费评论和分享我的视频 and follow me on Instagram too. So we will see you in the next episode. 我们下期再见吧。再见 ，Take care， 保护，再见，拜拜。